Hello friends, you're welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for tuning this channel today. My subscribers, a very big thank you to you all. If today is your first time of tuning this channel, you are welcome. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to cut and sew 720-degree flare skirt, which is also known as the full flare skirt. Okay, so I used 3 yards of fabric for this skirt, and the length of the fabric is also by 60. Okay, this is for plus size. This is plus size skirt. So if you're using it for a smaller person, you can use Ankara fabric, which is by 45 length, and the yard can be 2.5 yard will be okay for a smaller person. But for this person, it's 3 yards of fabric that I use. So I went ahead to fold the 3 yards of fabric like this. I'm going to divide the 3 yards into two, one for the front skirt, the other one for the back skirt. Okay, so I'll go ahead and split it into two equal parts. Okay, I'll use one for the back, use one for the front. So this is the two pieces, front and back. I'll go ahead and fold it again, the front, fold it into two, the good side is inside, fold it into two equal parts like this. Then I will fold it again into four, fold it again into four. This fabric is a stretchy fabric. Okay, so the length of my skirt is 27 inches. The waist of my skirt is 38 inches. So I'll go ahead and divide the waist. 38 inches divided by 2, that will give me 19 inches. So the front will be 19 inches, the back will be 19 inches, okay? Now the next thing to do is to divide the 19 inches by 4. So whatever you have, you can now use it as your skirt radius, which is the round measurement. So mine here is 4 inches plus, okay? 4 inches plus. You divide the 19 by 4. Whatever you have, you use it as your waist circumference. Mine is 4 plus. What I have here is 4 inches plus. Okay. So I will be using 4 inches plus now to cut the waist of my skirt, which is the front panel of the skirt. Okay. So you can see the fabric is folded into 4. The front part of the skirt is what I'm cutting. This part is unfold. The center part is close to me. Okay. All right. So I'm going to look for the round waist of my skirt, which is the front skirt, the 4 inches plus. But because it's a stretchy fabric I'm using here, I'm not going to take exactly 4 plus. I'll go ahead and mark 4 inches. When I open it, the flare is going to supply me allowance to join the skirt and also for the zipper. Okay, so I will mark it round. Our normal way of marking a flare circumference. I'll go ahead and check what I have here, if it's okay. If it's too much, I will reduce it. Okay, you can see me reducing it because I don't want the allowance to be too much. When cutting this type of flare, you don't use exact measurement because when you open it, it will be too big. Okay, what I have here is okay now. I'll go ahead and minus my waistband of 2 inches. Waistband of 2 inches to get the length of my skirt. The length of this skirt is 27 inches. So I will add 1 inch for hemming allowance. Then whatever I have at the down, I will go ahead and mark it round. Just go ahead and use your desired length, minus your waistband and mark it all round. Okay. My chalk is not showing all that, but I'm sure you're following. The most important thing is to calculate the measurement very well. Once you divide the measurement by 2, you get the front measurement and the back measurement. You now use it to divide by 4. You will get it right. Okay. So this is the round. I'll go ahead and cut it out. Right now, there is no joining on this flay. It's a round flay cut together. So the front panel is ready. I'll go ahead and pin it. Make sure you pin it before you raise it up. Okay, so I'll fold the back and place the front on top of the back to cut the same thing here. Just arrange it well. I'll go ahead and cut it out. So the remaining pieces at the down, I'm going to use it to cut my waistband. Now we'll go ahead and take off my pins. This is the front of the skirt. The other one is the back. So I will split the front open now for joining, so that I can join the front and the back together. I will also apply the same thing to the other one. See how big the flake is. This is for the front. I'll go ahead and split the back open. This is front and back. Okay. So the next thing is to join the side, both front and back together. I will hold both of them and pin it like so. Join it from the up to the down parts. So I'm left with one joining now. You can see this side. The flake is really full. So I've cut out my waistband. I'll go ahead and attach the waistband. The waistband is 5 inches. If I open it, unfold is 2.5 inches. Okay. So I'll go ahead and attach the waistband to the waist all round from this side to the other side. I'll just place it like so and sew it all round. So I finished sewing it. I use paper to sew this skirt because of the fabric. The fabric that I use here, the name of this fabric is Cameroon Guido. Okay. So it's not sewing on machine, so I had to use paper to sew it. I can now cut out the remaining band that is left. So the next thing to do now is to close the skirt. the measurement is now into 2. Okay, both front and back, the measurement is now into 2. So you use the waist measurement divided by 2. Okay, just check the waist measurement divided by 2, half of the waist measurement, use it and close the skirt from the upper part to the down part. And I will also hem the down of the skirt. Okay, if you like to fix a zipper, you can fix a zipper to your skirt, but this fabric is a stretchy fabric, so I'm not fixing zipper. I'm just showing you zipper so that you understand what I'm saying. After sewing, I will hem the down of the skirt. So this is me sizing the skirt. See how beautiful it is. This is for plus size. Okay, you can size anybody. So we have come to the end of the tutorial. Help me press the like button. See you in my next video. Bye.